Thanks for joining us, everyone, for the last 7 days. I'm Andrew Sparrow.
And I'm Greg Stewart.
This is the show where we have conversations about the news across discrete manufacturing and more specifically how it relates to CAD, PLM, simulation, virtual manufacturing, and MES/MOM.
Today is February 27th, Tuesday, and we are looking at A&D News Part 2.
Coming up, Blue Origin, Boeing, Bombardier, CACI, CAES, and Elbit Systems. Ready, set, let's take off. Alrighty, we're going to kick off with Jeff. That's Jeff Bezos, and spend some time with Blue Origin.
That's right. In a spectacular leap for aerospace innovation, Blue Origin unveiled its groundbreaking creation on Thursday, a state-of-the-art, we've got a photo of it here, rocket-powered titanium barrel named the New Taylor. Pioneered by some of the brightest minds in aerospace engineering, this $8 billion, yes, billion with a B, marvel is designed to fulfill Jeff Bezos' childhood dream of soaring 188 feet down over Niagara Falls.
$8 billion to throw him over a waterfall.
Yeah.
Nah, it has to have an alternate use case, I am sure.
That's right. For a childhood dream, imagine spending that much on a childhood dream. It's great. I'm excited for Jeff. Blue Origin's CEO Dave Limp proudly announced this technological feat, emphasizing the meticulous 7-year research and development journey behind the New Taylor. Inspired by early Niagara Falls adventurer Annie Edson Taylor, which is where it gets its name, this engineering marvel promises a gravity-defying experience for Bezos, offering moments of total weightlessness during the breathtaking plunge. Limp expressed gratitude to NASA for their partnership, envisioning a new era of Niagara Falls tourism. Critics, however, raised eyebrows as Bezos technically reached only the edge of the waterfall. Stay tuned as this audacious project unfolds.
Nobody dared push him for losing their jobs. Maybe that was it. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
But seriously, go up in an aircraft, cut the engines. That's weightless. Yeah. That'll work.
Yeah,
less
that'll
than
work.
$8 billion. No, there's an ulterior motive that obviously conditions must be relevant to space if Blue Origin are involved. I'm sure it's not just about a childhood dream.
Yeah.
Anyways, exciting developments in aerospace business. In a potential game-changing move, rumors are swirling about Jeff Bezos and Blue Origin's interest in acquiring United Launch Alliance. Yes, ULA, a key player in the space launch industry. While the sale has not been officially confirmed, reliable sources are suggesting that Bezos, fueled by his recent $2.5 billion sale of Amazon shares, could be the likely buyer. In fact, I think I heard he'd sold a few more again this week as well. So ULA, facing challenges from SpaceX's reusable Falcon 9 rockets, holds valuable assets, including launch sites, skilled personnel, and the recently launched Vulcan rocket. So the strategic alignment between ULA and Blue Origin, we're already seeing in their shared use of the BE4 engines, which we talked about last week. Great collaborative efforts going on there. Obviously seeing some synergies. Potential acquisition is opening doors for Blue Origin to tap into Pentagon contracts and enhance its position in the competitive aerospace landscape. Makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, this move is aligning, it really aligns with Blue Origin's commitment to advancing that space exploration and technology. As you mentioned, the strategic synergy from shared propulsion systems to collaborative lunar endeavors is really positioning Blue Origin to bolster its capabilities significantly, which if it wants to stay in pace with SpaceX, it's doing a great job of it. I mean, as we anticipate the unfolding this potential acquisition, it does underscore the dynamic nature of aerospace competition and the strategic maneuvers companies are making to lead the next era of space exploration. And watch out, SpaceX. Blue Origin's coming for you.
So no A&D show would be complete without Boeing. So here we go. Quick one for you. Polish airline LOT has ordered 11 Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft for delivery by the end of the first half of 2025. 3 MAXes will appear in the first half of this year. The first of them at the turn of March and April, plus 2 more soon after, which means they should have them at the peak of the summer season. Hopefully. Say
Fingers
your prayers.
crossed.
Yeah.
Andrews, is this the first time that we're referencing Boeing articles and not talking about bolts and doors and maintenance?
Over recent days, yes, true. Although that's because I was ignoring most of them when we were pulling out all of the news. Although obviously front and center is the CEO resigning of the Max 9 production. So there we go. New
That's right.
CEO coming in. Sorry, had to get it in there. It is what it is.
That's perfect. Moving on from Taylor Swift's G6000 and the Super Bowl, it is Bombardier again. As a global leader in aerospace and transportation, Bombardier has proudly announced that the launch of its innovative Smart Services Defense Program, which is a groundbreaking initiative designed to revolutionize maintenance solutions for its esteemed defense clientele. Now, tailored specifically for special mission, medevac, head of state, and government operators, this program is actually offering a comprehensive and customizable cost per flight hour coverage for a range of vital aircraft components. I think the key features of the the Smart Services Defense Program is tailored maintenance plans, extensive coverage, budget predictability, which finance is going to be excited about, optional enhancements, OEM advantage. There's a number of different things here. But in the context of A&D, how can CAD technologies contribute to the optimization of aircraft components and systems, ensuring that, efficiency and reliability and that the Smart Services Defense Program is promising.
Yeah, it's kind of MRO as a service stuff going on here. So obviously in the A&D game, you don't just need precision, you demand it. And that's where your CAD steps in, flipping the kind of the whole script on aircraft optimization. CAD isn't just about making flashy 3D models. It's about nailing down those designs with surgical precision. But it's not just a pretty picture. CAD's very much that kind of backstage pass to test the designs under every imaginable condition, catching headaches before they happen. And then when you integrate that CAD powerhouse into your product life cycle, it's not just about design, it's about a smooth ride from concept to manufacturing to maintenance and all the way back again, and to pull it that horizontal product life cycle through. So if you think digital prototypes, where you squash your problems before they even hit production, saves you time, saves you money, extends all the way out into MRO as well. So it's fundamental. It's the foundations of decent MRO services such as that.
Okay.
Next, CACI clinches coveted spot on Fortune's most admired companies list for the 7th year running. Yep. They entered that coveted spot on the prestigious list of the world's most admired companies for 2024. This marks CACI's 13th appearance since the list's inception, solidifying its status as a paragon of excellence in the industry. Key achievements. So Fortune's rigorous survey criteria held CACI for its unparalleled expertise and technology, robust long-term investment strategy, unwavering financial soundness, and steadfast commitment to social responsibility. For the cynics out there who think there was like 10 in the frame, there was actually 1,500 global contenders. And so it's really a testament to its exceptional standing in the industry. Well done, CACI.
Yeah. And I step back and look at the last 7 years just from a global market volatility standpoint. And so it's impressive that CACI has been able to, for the last 7 years, stay consistent in this. Always exciting to see, right?
You got it.
Hydrogen propulsion, zero emissions, fractional jets, some interesting and exciting content here. In a historic move, Cranfield Aerospace Solutions, CAES, and Stratus 9 are joining forces to pioneer the first ever zero emissions fractional aircraft co-ownership program in the U.S. Stratus 9 unveiled plans to acquire 10 hydrogen propulsion conversion kits for the BN Islander aircraft. The groundbreaking deal, valued at over $20 million, signals a major leap towards sustainable air travel. Now, Stratus 9 is aiming to revolutionize airplane co-ownership, of course, by simplifying the process and elevating the efficiency of aircraft use. But by embracing that hydrogen propulsion, Stratus 9 is championing a cleaner and greener approach to air travel. Here's the question. What are the manufacturing challenges with converting these hydrogen aircraft as we are trying to achieve this cleaner and greener air travel?
No small feat, definitely. So obviously precision engineering, but precision manufacturing, ensuring your components are going to fit seamlessly, comply with your rigorous standards that are out there into existing aircraft. So you need your material compatibility with hydrogen's unique properties, of course. You couple that with navigating complex certification processes, which brings in that additional layer of complexity. Systems integration needs to be flawless, and your supply chain hiccups, which are happening pretty consistently as well these days, can disrupt the whole project timeline. So there's a lot going on. Thorough testing you got to be doing as well, covering various condition scenarios. Make sure you've upskilled your workforce. Make sure your costs are being managed accordingly. But if they conquer all of that, they're going to pave the way for a groundbreaking leap in sustainable aviation. I'm excited for them. I hope they can do it. Fractional ownership is not necessarily as popular overseas outside of the US. It's a different economic landscape. Cities are all over. So it's a big business over here. So hopefully if they can get that, it's a contributor to greenhouse gases that they could overcome.
Yeah.
Next up, Elbit Systems, who unveils the Hermes. Actually, it wouldn't be Hermes. I'm thinking of French.
You're thinking of fashion.
Yeah, that's how I roll. The unveils the Hermes 650 Spark tactical UAS. In groundbreaking revelation, Israeli defense innovator Elbit Systems has introduced the Hermes 650 Spark, a tactical unmanned aerial system that defies conventional boundaries. This next generation autonomous drone boasts an extended endurance of up to 24 hours, revolutionizing the possibilities for aerial operations. Equipped with a medium altitude, long endurance capability, the 650 Spark elevates operational efficiency with increased range, flight speed, and payload capacity. Its versatility spans air, land, and sea, homeland security, and civil applications, positioning as a game changer in the UAS landscape. So, question for you, Greg. How might advanced PLM solutions contribute to the seamless integration and optimization of these diverse payloads of the 650 Spark?
Good question, Andrew, and feel free to jump in if you feel like I'm missing anything here. But by providing this cohesive platform for design, simulation, collaboration, PLM is going to ensure the optimal configuration management, enhancing the drone's performance, and maintaining operational excellence across the varied mission requirements.
Yep. Yeah. I mean, it's pivotal coordinating those intricate upgrade processes of military assets, making sure seamless integration of these cutting edge technologies. So to maintain peak operational efficiency through the life cycle is essential. So you're going to need that collaboration, real-time data management, meticulous tracking. So all of those things that kind of we were talking about earlier in the show are applicable. There we go. That's it.
Next, in a groundbreaking development, Aselsan has delivered the initial batch of 2 enhanced M60T tanks to the Turkish land forces, making significant stride in the nation's defense capabilities. Andrew, we might talk about this next show. I feel like this could be something that is in for Weapon of the Week, but we'll get there at some point. I mean, these upgrades boast an advanced Aselsan. Do I have that correct?
Yeah, we're struggling with these names today, I think. Yeah.
We are. Fire control system, STM Savunma tank command, control communication information system, and reinforced armor from Rocketstan.
Yep.
Given the complexities in upgrading military assets like the M60T tanks, how might an effective PLM system contribute to ensuring the seamless integration of these technologies and maintaining optimal operational efficiency?
Very, very much the same. It's that kind of life cycle management, data pull through to maintenance, making sure that all of those drawings are created for MRO from their origination point. So same thing, really, extended MRO. So there we go. That's it for today, I think. That's a wrap.
We'll see you next time.
See you tomorrow. What are we covering tomorrow on Wednesday?
I think it's high tech.
High tech it is. We'll see you tomorrow on High Tech.